Here we go. First to serve, De La Salle. And it's Noel doing that. Let's see. Ito naman yung kapitan. Here we go. That's a good one. Good. Tabla tayo. 1-all the first set.
Opportunity na patayin yung bola, patayin mo na agad.
Gawin mo
Tignan
na
yung
agad.
ginawa ni Colinares. Inatake niya na agad.
Oh, you gotta love that combination there. And I gotta give credit dun sa mga first ball no, coming off that serve. And then yung mga setters doing an awesome job.
3 points galing sa atake lahat.
And you like that, involving everyone in the offense, di ba?
Alam niyang lahat aasahan niya.
Oh, that's in. Kung kayo, tatakbo kayo, and then you step on the brakes and avoid hitting or going beyond that line or hitting that net. Meantime, ito muna lang yung...
Hindi umabot.
5-4 in favor of UST. Tatabla ba dito ang De La Salle? They do. All those tats. Bagay na bagay. Meantime, the rookie sensation. Sinukat ng 311 centimeters. Taas.
Grabe.
Here we go. Ibanez again this time around.
Ano lang, pasensyoso tong bata ko.
That pancake, I love that term. And next play. Noel, good serve there. Pero, joust sa ere. Good recovery by UST. And tinan mo yun. Court by Kate coming from sa UST.
Mas bonggang performance.
Mas bongga. Galing kay Josh yun, ha?
Oo. Talagang, buhay naman ng puntos ba naman sa kanya agad.
And siguro isang dahilan yan, JB, kung bakit lamang ngayon ng UST ng tatlo, 9-6. Let's see how De La Salle will respond to that. And that might be a good... On deck is Nat Del Pilar serving for De La Salle. You gotta love that quick one.
Yung effective decoy na yung mga middle mo.
Ang pinakaayaw mo yung wala sila sa groove, di ba? Hindi sila kasama. Down the line, it's good.
Si Prudenciado pa hindi depensa.
Kung nakikita nyo lang yung aking facial expression dito pag pumapalo itong mga to. Meantime, he's doing good, di ba? I'm a fan of that backset kasi hindi mo kita yung nasa likod naman.
Mahirap basahin eh. Yun yung kailangan eh.
Very, very well said. Meantime, 13-11. UST still up by 2. Nice receive by the green and white. And according to our linesman, pasok daw yun. As or rather see, oh, that's right. No? Coming from that missed opportunity score, sinetap niya. But then is Rainier floor. You gotta love that. You gotta love that.
Yun yung mas mataas ang chance manalo.
To the back. Kasi sa gantong dikit, 16-15. One error can cost you the set. Tapos pag umabot ka ng third, fourth sets, one error can cost you the game. Diba? Let's see yung adjustment dito ng La Salle. Poquita going to the other side and that corner shot is good.
Dun.
It's the timing, di ba, Jay?
Timing din talaga.
And talk about timing.
Kaya sa mga nanonood ngayon, pumunta na kayo dito sa Paco Arena at nakita nyo kung gaano katataas maglundagan ng mga players natin dito.
And I like down the line, di ba? Pero ngayon, puro the past few plays, puro cross-court nakikita natin.
Masyado na lang iniiwas dun sa blockers ng bawat koponan.
Tinatanggal kay Joshi, napupunta ngayon kay Eman. And same thing for De La Salle. They're trying to find different ways to score. Whoa!
Na kahit 2-3 blockers ang ibigay mo dyan, mamumuntos talaga.
Good defense by De La Salle. Guerrero was there. Off the deflection, alamin natin, yes. Or pag medyo nainis na si Coach Oji, animated na yan. At alam mo yan.
Alam ko yan.
Exchanging points na dito, di ba? Down the stretch na eh. Let's see. But then again, nangyari ulit.
Iiwas mo. Pero yung intention ni Josh na iiwas sa blocker, instinct na rin kasi yan.
Pag may nakita ka nakabantay, di ba?
Oo.
Ako, partner, I don't mind having an extended set, ha? Masaya naman tayo dito sa Paco Arena.
Ma-enjoy natin. Kahit dalawa na yung blockers.
Sinisindihan lang siguro si Josh, ano? And he
Nagpapainit.
responded. He responded really well. Tied at 23, and that ball goes to me. Everybody says it starts the first ball. The captain with a serve. Good first ball. Will we go 24 all? Yes, we do. Opportunity here. Here we go. UST can take the lead back. Let's see ulit. First ball ng UST, crucial. Eto na, De Vega.
Kaya nahihirapan rin yung blockers ng bawat kupunan.
Combination play. One more time for De La Salle. Noel. Denied, but they'll score.
Sinong magbablock kay Noel Campton? Alam niyang mamumuntos at mamumuntos to.
They go back to De Vega. And again, he scores.
Pasagin mo na lang yan.
Tied at 26. Green Archers. They go to Campton. Balik sa UST. Pagkakataon lumamang. Ibanez. Cross court. It's good. And here we go. Can UST get first set or tatablang De La Salle? Chance for UST. Chance for La Salle to tie again. Poquita. They go to Campton. Blocked. One more time for De La Salle. Noel again. Soft one there. And it's De La Salle taking advantage of the errors of UST. But they still fell short, di ba?
Kasi parang, alam mo yun, as a former basketball player, parang ka lang magle-layup na isang paa at tatalon.
Ganda ng timing. It always yields good results. Rodriguez.
Yun yung mga player na hindi basta-basta nahahanap eh.
Oh, wow.
Parang hindi bumabalik. Hindi nila inahayaan na magkaroon pa ng rally, ng chance yung kalaban na matake.
In fact, yung longest rally natin was
Kami naman.
Growling Tigers. Going cross court. Captain serving. Good receive. Oh, yes. 4 serving 5. Captain once again. At sumingit yan sa pagitan ng net at saka ng mga blockers. Baka kahit tatlo kayo dyan, I will hit it and I'll take my chances.
Bahala na. So,
Nat Del Pilar serving for De La Salle. They're up by 2. And down the line, it's good for Ibanez.
At sa mga, at kung mapapansin mo, Chiki, ang nakakatuwa dito, day 2 pa lang
Oo nga eh.
ng torneyong to, pero at dito mag-uumpisa lahat.
Exactly. 9-8, DLSU up by a point. Balik sa UST ang bola. Good defense by De La Salle. Ito talaga, no? Because we're looking at the stats now. Okay, the attacks are pretty much the same, di ba? Pero yung errors, doon nagkakatalo talaga.
Mas pulido, mas ano talaga eh, mas malinis na laro eh. Talaga, asan yung kamay, asan yung butas.
And then, more often than not, gusto nila, sige, nandiyan yung kamay, I will score off. Good first ball. Sa daliri lang ni Del Pilar dumaan yun. One more time. Maglinaw, rejected. Seesaw battle. Sa dulo lang siguro magkakabitawan. Meantime, Del Pilar was rejected. One more time for De La Salle. They go to Maglinaw. Maglinaw cross court. And it's still in. 14-13 ang ating score. JV, kalahati yan coming from errors. Diba? Tied at 14. And it's out.
Okay, tsura ko sa TV.
At ano kaya sinasabi nung Reyes at saka Sumagaysay sa aming laro?
Sa koponan ng bawat set na to, parang lahat gusto mamuntos eh.
Noel. Balik sa UST. Good defense. One more time for the gold, white, and black. And they go to zone 6 east.
Teammate ko yun sa club team.
And to have that size, di ba?
Oo, mahirap.
Ooh. Good. 19 serving 18. Chance for UST to tie. And chance for De La Salle to build the 2-point lead. And they do.
Talagang mag-uusap na yung first tsaka second referee.
That's right. And it's an ace. Tingnan natin kung mag-work yung ginawa ni Coach Oji again. De La Salle up by 4.
Kay Popoy. Pero ngayon, sa service area, gumagawa siya ng paraan para makalayo sa koponan ng UST.
Captain going to the back. Ibanez, medyo tahimik dito si Josh. Back to UST. G-Boy, denied at the net. Sasaglit lang, di ba? Set point for De La Salle. And again, the defense.
Ano yan eh, may kita mong diskarte yan eh. Oh, parang ma-relax muna. At eto yung
para din siguro maalog yung mga veterano.
Maalog. Diba? Yun na yung term talaga doon, di ba? Parang bumalik kayo sa ano nyo. Mag-compose muna kayo.
Sabayan natin ito. Hindi tayo pwedeng papaiwan dito.
Kasi mahihirapan ka dyan. Unang-una, bago yung player, hindi mo alam kung sino yung aatake. Hindi mo malalaman kung sino yung babantayan mo eh. Panibago eh. Parang first set ulit.
Adjustment, and you like that?
Bihira yun. Na set, libero ang magsiset sa middle. Sobrang bihira nun.
And Nard did an awesome job there. Meantime, second ball. Back to De La Salle. They go to Noel. Denied at the net. Pero ang totoong pangalan ay Sherwin. Ooh, what a response.
One-on-one na lang kay Noel Campton.
Trevor with a good serve. And the captain goes to zone 6.
Kasi nakakakuha, parang yung katawan nila, mainit na.
JJ again, let's see. Ganda ng serve. At sakto ka, ace ulit yun, ha?
Kasi unang-una, ngayon niya lang nakita yung lahat na yan.
Oh. Cross court. Dahil meron na kaming player information dito, yun ang talagang nilagay niyang nickname niya.
Pogi.
Oo.
Eto na naman si Kapitan. Ito yung inahanap natin sa, sa isang Kapitan. Hindi niya na, hindi niya iniinda kung may nakabantay sa kanya.
9-all.
Saan mamumunto siya?
UST on the attack here. Good defense. Habol nila din, responding well to the challenge.
Siyempre, kumbaga sabi nga kung may oportunidad na ibigay sa'yo ang coach mo.
Trevor Valera. Gene on the set. Bihira ka makakita ng ng mga single coverage, Denied at the net. Hindi ko nang gagawin ng offensive player. Growling Tigers on the attack. Coming from the back is good.
Ngayon, si Pogi at saka si Katapan dyan. Kaya yung atake nag-iba. Ganito ako pumalo. So, pagka hindi mo kilala yung kalaban, mapipilitan ka mag-adjust doon sa kanan.
Hirap di ba? Si si JM Ronquillo, yung celebration konti lang.
Tahimik lang din.
Di ba? Kahit at 15.
Laro dati na mais-mais kung tawagin nila. Na talagang nahawakan yung bola.
Pero skill din, Here we go. Tatabla ba ang UST? They need this point here. Love that hang time. The captain denied, but that ball is still alive. Hahabulin.
Siya ang naka-assign ngayon sa stats.
For UST. To the corner.
Blockers na itong De La Salle University. Kasi, ayun nga, lefty. Different variation ng atake.
Ball still alive here. And up. Don't look now, JV. Tabla tayo, 17. Chance for UST to take the lead. And
tumama.
That ball hits the line.
Parang sabay tayo hining. Alam mo yung parang may nililitis sa... Ganun yung ilaw dito
And samahan kami dito ni Kate, ni JV, and sila Benji later on. Punta kayo.
Yung major adjustment ni Coach Oji.
And I saw Nard Guerrero calming everyone from the green and white. This is when they need Noel and he responds.
Ayun talaga ng puntos. Kung hindi Ronquillo, Noel Campton ang tatakbuhan niya.
Chance for De La Salle to go back-to-back here. One more try, Poquita, back set. And it worked.
Naging kakampi ng mga Tigre yung net ngayon.
Kahit gano'ng kalakas ang palo mo, Pag hindi umover sa tape na yan, that's it. Woo! Back to La Salle. Poquita with a quick one, and it worked for Rodriguez. Bahay niya 22-20, another down-the-wire set here. Another chance for La Salle to cut that lead down to 1. Combination play down the line, and it's good. 4-0 run ito para sa De La Salle.
Ang haba ng hinahabol na yun. Pero babasagin ni Valera. Major talaga yung mother league nila. Na dito pa lang, nabubuo na sila. Alam na nila kung ano yung mga ikakama nila. Ito pa lang, manghihinayang. Kaya inihintay kayo ng players. Napasimango si Noel doon.
Chance for La Salle to tie. Vince does that. We're tied. Captain with the serve. Flor na isalba yung possession na yun. Denied at the net. It goes out. And JM Ronquillo serving for De La Salle. Sinalba yung bola. Joust at the net. Play continues. Will La Salle end set 3? No! Good serve. Sa net. Nabasa. Chance for La Salle to take the lead. Nope. Growling Tigers. Ooh, chance ball. Free ball. Hawks. Combination. And again. Daw pala ang pupuntahan, Pagkakataon ng UST tumabla. Pagkakataon ng La Salle tapusin ang set 3. One more try for De La Salle. Good dive. Good dig. Ay, ang cross-court ni Neil hindi umubra. On the board is De La Salle 1-0 in set number 4. Brawling Tigers going to zone 6.
Eto naman ngayon ginagawa, nagpe-perform naman din talaga yung mga bata.
Combination by Mendoza. Ano sinabi? Walang 2-point shot dyan.
Wala.
Emphatic. Good serve. The lefty again.
One-on-one against Maglino.
Good floor defense here by UST. Pero free ball ito. Chance for LaSalle to score again. Wow! Yung combination na yun, yung talon ni Nat, ang taas pa rin.
Ang taas. Parang kala mo sa kanya talaga.
They're going to the lefties here. Back to De La Salle. Mendoza. Is Noy Colinares. The back set and then the hit is good for Rodriguez.
Who is that? He never fails to go to the games na panoorin yung progress ng volleyball, panoorin yung progress ng mga malalaro natin. Really giving more than ample support, talagang suporta sa sport of volleyball. At kung mapapansin naman natin, diba? Yung pagbabago, yung improvement, makikita natin.
Oh, yes.
Diba? Ang dami na nanonood ngayon, sumusuporta.
Na JV yung dumudungaw talaga sa net, diba? Sumisilip sa kabila. 3-point lead for De La Salle. It's meron akong player dito na katabi na pwede akong protektahan. Lumilingon sa pangalang JV.
Ako na yung magbablock.
They continue to increase on this lead. Another great net defense. Good receive by Mendoza. Good pancake on the other end. One more try for De La Salle. Combination to Maglinaw. Cross court. It's out.
Talagang wrist lang. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng mag-pull swing kasi matatama mo yun.
Oo, sa haba ng kamay ninyo.
Makabasa yung depensa sa likod.
Diba, kung nag-commit ka na doon at napunta pa rin sa iba, with you, 13 serving 16. Utak ang ginamit dito ni Pokita and Pok. Perpetual Health kontra San Beda. Gandang laban din po yan. Mendoza, cross court. G-Boy. Back to the green and white. They go to their captain and he delivers again. Ronquillo reminds me of a Cyrus Baguio.
Tahimik lang.
Tahimik lang sa PBA. Oh. Wow! Chabol.
Totoo yan.
Diba? Nakikinig. Very disciplined din. And look at that.
Speaking of, diba? Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na wala akong alam pagdating sa paglalaro ng volleyball eh.
And umandal. Looking good dito ang UST sa kanilang rally. They have another chance here. No. Pataas ang porsyento to always score and give good results. Combination play. Sa pulang ilaw. That means it's a point for DLSU. Hanapin ko.
Hindi ko titigilan yan.
Pupuntiryahin ko yan. Check ball.
Namatay yung momentum ni G-Boy kanina.
Strategy rin, ano?
Strategy din talaga.
Mendoza, like that one.
Hit na yung blockers nila na magbibigay ka sa middle.
Heto, pero yun ang problema. Buti na lang nagawa ng paraan ni Noy. On deck is Rainer Floor. Box. To Yoyong for De La Salle. Combination to G-Boy. Good pancake by Vince. Mendoza, will he end it? It's in according to our linesman.